Hey chat, hi, what's up? We are back in the studio. It's been too long months it's been since we've been in studio. Last episode was with Ankush, Know Your Club. Really fun one. If you haven't checked it out, it's still relevant. And Corporate Sattu is back, so let's go.
Let's go.
For now.
For now.
He got sacked and all in the middle. He had some full
Yeah,
fight.
like
He had
someone should be, maybe not.
Maybe not. He had like a crazy fight with Tanay that we'll keep off camera. Or we won't get all these things on camera.
Tanay tried to call me for 3 weeks before.
But it's been too long, and a lot of things had to happen for this to happen for all of us to come back into the studio. I'm not going to say what, but it's pretty obvious what.
What happened?
Nothing. The
IPL got postponed.
we were missing each other. We were
Yeah.
missing each other. Oh, that happened too.
Yeah, that happened.
Oh shit.
So yeah, that's one of the things we're going to get to. And then Kohli and Rohit retiring from Test cricket. The Champions League, Arsenal's success, the Premier League, and finally a recap of UFC 315 and maybe some NBA action too, playoffs. ZS is really into that.
Let's go.
Alright, but we have to start with a huge thank you and gratitude towards our soldiers. Great job to our forces. We sleep a good night because of you, so thank you so much.
Yes.
The IPL has been postponed because of this ongoing conflict between India and Pakistan, but luckily we're going to resume because things are calming down, ceasefire. And May 17th is the first day that the IPL is back, so we have some time to do some studio shoots. And yeah, let's get into it, man. There's about 3 to 4 games, I think, left for each team in the IPL. And the top 4 is shaping up nicely, and there's a pretty tight race for that 3rd and 4th spot especially. What are you guys' predictions for?
Mumbai has to win both games, right? To go through.
Mumbai has only 1 game left to play, no?
2.
Wait, it's 14 games a team?
14, yeah.
14
My
games
bad,
a team.
my bad.
So-
I think it'll stay the same as what it is now, but hopefully Mumbai ends up winning those last 2 games.
But how do you think the top 4 is going to shape up?
For the final, like who wins finally?
No.
Or Just, right
Just
now into
in the
playoffs?
league stage, yeah.
So it's what?
It's-
RCB?
It's GT, RCB, Punjab, Mumbai.
I think it'll stay the same only.
Yeah.
I don't see it changing because I think Mumbai is too far down to even if they win both games, they'll only make it to 4th, right?
no, they can
depends
climb
on-
up. They can climb
Depends
up,
on
yeah.
other results then.
Yeah, Mumbai's 12 matches played, 14 points. So
I actually thought there were only 2 games left but
So
now
there
that
are
you're
only there are only 2 games left for certain teams.
Yeah.
Mumbai is one of them.
Mumbai and KKR 2
And-
games, everyone else is 3.
Yes.
Okay, so I then think that GT will drop out of the top 4.
They are
first.
first
They are
up pretty
first. They are
comfortably.
first. Not
yeah.
comfortably. I mean, they're what
16
3
and
points
16
behind.
for
They're 3
RC.
points behind Delhi, which is 5th.
Ahead
They're
of-
ahead.
yeah.
Sorry, ahead of Delhi.
So that's
which
why
is
I
fifth.
mentioned at the start that it's pretty tight out
Yeah,
there.
but I think GT will end up choking it, and they also have to play. They have to play CSK in their last game. I think they're playing Mumbai now. Are they're playing Mumbai?
No, they played Mumbai, na? Bro, yes, man. What are you saying?
Amazing podcasting by
I
us.
just did it. I was sitting before the
asking all these
fucking.
questions before.
We've come back into the studio after a really long time. It's okay.
Yeah, give us a break.
We're getting into the groove again. It's
Growing
all
pains.
good, ZS. No
See, now
pressure.
they're playing CSK.
Yeah,
Then-
we never
You're
denied.
talking like CSK
Yeah,
is good
sorry.
this year.
But that's what I'm saying. They're not good, and in the classic one, in their last match, they're gonna show up. In classic
Dhoni's
CSK
last match
style.
ever, maybe.
Mahi re, what? Sing it. For us.
Mahi.
What a banger that was. We've
Yeah,
put out some
banger.
quality content
Yeah.
being away from the studio. Great composition by
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
And also KMG Music who helped us mix it.
Yes, best audio technician in the nation.
I'm cutting all this out. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a bold claim and say that GT drop out of the top 4.
Sammy, any bold claims regarding this?
No bold claims
Playoff
really.
picture.
It's just, is DC going to make it into the top 4 or no? And if that has to happen, I think Punjab will drop out. They've looked a little shaky. I think they've lost Stoinis, Maxwell.
Maxwell is not a loss. You're shit this year, man.
Australian players are not coming back,
For sure.
as far as reports go so far.
As far as reports have claimed, they're
nothing
not going to come
confirmed.
back. Because they've had so the Great Cricketer put out a post basically questioning the BCCI whether or not if they should have had the game at Dharamshala or not. And even if they knew the situation could escalate, why did they do that? And they questioned them basically, and all the Australian cricketers liked it. Clearly showing sentiment that
Did you see that video of they basically all got evacuated by train, right?
Mhm.
And all the Indian players are like chilling, they're on their phones,
Yeah.
they're laughing. And then there's one, it cuts to, I'm forgetting who it is. One of these Australian players is sitting with his headphones on and he's just zoned out completely and pure fear on his face. And he was so terrified.
Bro, they don't have faith in our people. Like, come on, man. It's okay. It's fine. They've announced the IPL is back, baby. We are back.
Exactly.
We are back.
Exactly.
What happens if they refuse to play? Do they get paid still?
I don't know. That's an interesting question. We should get a lawyer on for all these kind of questions. See what's written in the contract, whether war is covered or not.
Yeah, sports lawyer would actually be a fun.
Exactly. But I don't know. I don't think they're going to come back, which brings up 2 points is it'll probably weaken a lot of teams. Like Bangalore won't have Hazelwood. GT, I don't think are missing any Australians.
Nor is Mumbai.
Nor is Mumbai. No, nor is
No,
Mumbai.
no.
I know Sunrisers are out, but,
But
they're
what
missing,
about
like,
Will
Cummins and-
Jacks and all? Like, are we assuming all the whites, all the foreigners are leaving us? Or
I don't
is
know.
it just the
Reports have come
Australians?
from. I've only read reports about Australians so far. I've not heard
Same,
about the
even
others.
I've only... It seems like everyone only cares about the Australians. But anyway, I think Punjab will drop out just because they're losing Stoinis and Maxwell. Obviously, Maxwell not such a big loss. But still, Punjab have also looked...
Shaky
actually-
towards the end.
Yeah, they've looked a little shaky in their last 2 games. But
Last game we can excuse.
last game we can excuse.
Wait, that game ended in a draw, right?
Yes. No, that game didn't end in a draw. They're
Bro, it
going
was
to
so
replay it.
long ago, I can't remember. Only
Yeah,
one
I'm-
has-
even I'm very
it was
confused.
crazy that game even carried, even happened.
I don't know what's going to
Don't know
happen. I don't think the top 4 is going to shake out to be very different. I think there's a clear gap between the
Yeah.
quality of like the top 4 or 5 teams.
Yeah, I think it's like you said, just about how DC make it in, if anything.
Yeah, and I think DC don't have like the oomph. I don't think so.
I was thinking the exact same thing as you. The only replacement would be DC and Punjab, but it would be very sad if Mumbai drops out now. Like, there's a possibility, like they kind of choked this Gujarat game. Great start batting, then they fucked up, only hit 150 something. Even bowling, the game was in Mumbai's hands, and then Kotse and all are hitting sixes on Rahul Chahar and Deepak Chahar in the last over. So hopefully that's not a good, that is not a good sign, and hopefully that doesn't continue. So, and Mumbai get through. Maybe have to pay the refs a little more. That was the agenda that was going on.
Umpires.
So yeah, the umpires. 7 matches, Mumbai won. People were going nuts. Ambanis have bought the refs, the umpires. Bro, come on. They bought them for years ago.
RCB is also missing Tim David with
Ooh.
Hazelwood.
That's a big miss. Who do you
But
think is
he's-
going to replace him?
Singaporean, no?
Singaporean,
Australian, yeah.
He plays for Australia.
Oh, but he lives in. I think it matters where they live, no?
But he
don't
plays for Australia.
What do you mean it matters where they live? All the players playing for Spain play in the Premier League. They live in England. No.
So basically, Australians are just pussies, right?
But also think
Yeah,
about it.
Shout out Jake Jenkins.
You've gotten paid, you've gotten all the money in the world, and now you're like, okay, an event beyond my control is telling me to go home and keep the money without doing enough work. Everyone in this room is going to jump on that.
100%, but you're still under contract. Like, if the team says come back,
But this is such an extreme situation.
Yeah,
it's understandable that they are.
What are they
not
going to
come
say?
back.
If I was
What are
India,
they
I wouldn't let them go, bro. Just keep them here. It's a safety blanket. Nothing can happen to them.
Right. Protection.
Yeah.
Wage a war with another country now.
Let's go.
Okay, so one of the questions you were asking on our Marine Drive outdoor shoots was who was the biggest flop this year in the IPL. A lot of options, a lot of answers, and people were saying Pant, Venkatesh Iyer, Dhoni, and so on. Do you guys have any other picks or something for that?
Kishan, I think after that first game,
Yep.
and he came out with, he looks so good, but every year that first game starts off insanely strong for him. But
Yeah.
this year was like particularly bad.
He had a
after that.
century in the first match this
Yeah.
year and then completely fell off.
It was a really good game for him as well.
Do you remember how he got out against
Yeah,
Mumbai?
bro. That was crazy. If I was his manager, then I'm killing him in that
Yeah, the
dressing room.
coach, captain.
Don't
fuck him
walk
up,
until
bro.
the umpire says out, bro.
Because the umpire's hand also started
Yeah.
like this, then it went up, then it went down, and then it finally went back up.
Can we somehow pan to what our intern is doing right now in studio?
He's probably watching one of our previous episodes.
What are you watching? Entourage.
Intern is sitting in the studio with his earphones on.
It's better that his phone doesn't ring out loud now.
That's also true. So kudos to you, growth.
Yeah, growth.
Thanks for watching it on the earphones. at
Yeah,
least.
but usually he's just
Scrolling
scrolling.
reels and all.
Yeah,
though,
without his earphones. So amazing.
Step
Thank
in
you
the
so
right
much.
direction.
Yeah.
ZS, who's your biggest flop?
I was gonna say Pant actually, but I remember what. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna say Pant. Because at that
Were you
point,
going to side with Mix just now?
yeah, because he did say he was LSG at that point weren't doing too badly, although they're pretty much out of.
No,
the
no,
IPL
no.
now.
They are kind of in the mix.
It's hard for them to make it.
It is hard. It is hard for them. They're
It's
still
really
in
hard
the
for
mix.
them to make it. So I'll go with Pant. I thought he was at least being a good captain, like Mick said in the start, which you can give him. But the most expensive player ever in the IPL, and this performance I think is really bad.
Yeah.
And plus, it's his format. Like it's T20, bro. It's meant
His
for him.
format is tests, actually. Look.
That's it's a T20
I know,
jersey. But yeah, I'll go for Pant. I don't think there's been a single memorable moment of like in the IPL this year with Pant.
No, the stump mics have been decent. Like, who's his...
No, I'm saying
Bishnoi
like
and all, he
playing-wise.
screams out a lot.
No, I'm saying
Those are
not
pretty-
memorable that. I'm saying like playing wise.
Yeah, definitely.
Not even one.
Definitely
Not
not.
I don't
even
think-
Dhoni, even Dhoni's had some quick stumpings.
Yes.
So at least that.
And like when they're losing, he hits 3-6.
yeah, but
and gets-
Dhoni's inning is entertaining regardless whether he's a batting and
Different
striker,
level.
you know, it's entertainment.
The wait for Dhoni to come is only
Yeah.
entertaining.
You're waiting. Suddenly, Ashwin comes out.
Then again,
Someone else.
some
will
other
come.
bowler.
Some other bowler will come.
Ultimate edging test. But for me, the flop of the season, I have two answers. One is Arjun Tendulkar. Not once have we seen him on the bench.
Is he
Not
in the team?
exactly. Usually, I mean, a good performance for him in an IPL season is just his appearance on TV. Like
Yeah.
we are like, okay, he's done his job. This season, he's not even come once on TV, bro.
Yeah, and he's a big time aura farmer.
Big time aura farmer. But for me, I agree with ZS, man. Rishabh Pant. I also have a little personal,
Yeah.
like I love Rishabh Pant. I wanted him to do well. He's also my captain in the season-long IPL fantasy. I thought he's going to do really well, and he's just been shitting the bed one game after another. So even though he might be captaining his side well, he's not giving me any returns in my fantasy.
He's
team.
not even had one cameo, bro.
Yeah,
like, not even 2 sixes in an over. You know, like, that's the least you can do as Rishabh
The most
Pant.
memorable thing about Rishabh Pant this season is him getting out where he hit that shot. The bat went in one direction, the ball went in one
the other.
direction.
He went straight.
Like, how,
Even right there.
how the fuck is even that possible, bro?
Should he have another car crash?
I think the car crash fucked him up, bro. It lost that fire in him.
So now
Yeah, I'll reset the
Two
flow.
negatives.
Full circle.
Yeah.
He's like, nothing can take me at this point.
I'll say Shimron Hetmeyer. I think for years he's been quite disappointing.
Simran Hitman.
Shimron, I said.
Who's Shimran, bro?
The player from
Shimron?
Africa, Shimron.
Shimron Hetmeyer. My bad.
Shimron.
He's been that bad, I forgot his name. But for years, I think he's been very overrated. All he does is catch in the field, which is
Yeah.
not good enough. I looked it up. He's making 11 crores per season. Like, come on.
But he won that game, bro, and CSK. One good performance, though, he put in at least.
Okay, bro. But for years and years, I think he's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
overrated in
Yeah,
general.
I agree.
He doesn't have that West Indian aura like a Pooran or a Pollard,
Pollard,
and
Bravo, these
all
guys.
these Gale and all these guys. Bad ball, whatever. They always show
Yeah.
up, but this guy really
Carlos
hasn't.
Brathwaite.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
nothing
I'm gonna pick him, especially because Rajasthan is struggling and
They've
they've lost games that they should have won.
Bro,
Like
they've been by far
they
the
choke
worst
it
team
in
of the
hard,
IPL.
bro.
It's not even. It's like they've been way worse than CSK also. I think.
and he's supposed to be the finisher to take them over the line. He's done it
Yeah.
once this season, but not even that impressive.
Yeah,
To be
I
fair,
think
against
that-
CSK is what.
Rajasthan's only like memorable moment was like Suryavanshi that innings. Is he? 14?
That was insane. I was crying.
Is he 14?
I was crying.
is not 14. I cannot
He's not
believe the
14.
whole
He's not
country has
14.
just
He's not.
agreed.
He's not 14.
But
bro.
do
I
you
agree with
think, so I was having
But 14 or
conversation.
16, bro, what has he done?
It's still commendable what he
Second
did.
best, fastest,
No. It's still
100,
great,
what a
but
chase.
It's not 14, bro.
I also don't want to be a hater, but all the shots that he was playing were like top edges and
No, no.
He was just
flying
swinging
to-
his bat.
They're just swinging
But that's
his bat.
T20 masala cricket, bro. Come on.
Do you
I
think
Kohli and also just do that only, no? When they come, bro. It seems so easy. Just not do it, bro.
Do you think he'll last in a test game though?
He doesn't have to.
I didn't see him defend a ball. So exactly.
It doesn't
He
matter.
comes in and plays like a punt kind of innings in a test match. You know that.
But Pant still, his defense is solid. I mean, Pant is still technically sound.
Yeah, I mean, I think Suryavanshi has a long way to go. Obviously.
He's only 40.
His game's going to develop, and I think we'll definitely be seeing him in whites one
No,
day.
bro, like, but that feeling in sports that you get when someone does something so great is just unmatched. You know what I mean? Like,
But he's put himself in deep trouble. Anything that
he's
he goes on to achieve from here is going to be an
he's 2 years
underachievement.
older, bro.
Yeah.
So what?
is going to be an underachievement.
This is like that
Sattu hates
Prithvi
it.
Shaw's thing, right? Where what's the number that he wears? Because he had that insane game.
199.
Isn't
For
it some
20?
triple
No,
digit
it's
Because of
three
a
digit
crowd
number.
problem.
Yeah.
It's a 3-digit number he wears. 1, 2,
Living on
1,
past
2,
glory.
6, or something.
Like Arteta's FA Cup.
Oh,
What is this friendly fire? India,
Bro, there's
He
too
was
much
about-
we are under attack as a nation. We need to be together, bro. What are you doing?
100 was his jersey number. Prithvi Shaw. And then since then he's not made a century.
Lies.
Allegedly.
But were you that coordinated, physically coordinated when you were 14?
I was, but
That guy looks.
at 14 I could barely move properly. Still hitting 35 on Sunday.
So if you've seen that, like your grip reminded me of something. If you've seen that video of, I think one of those IPL commentators, I think Mukundan or something his name is, some guy, okay, he was basically telling us how, what's his name, Vaibhav Suryavanshi holds his bat. He holds the bat in a different grip.
I saw this.
And he swings also round like that.
and he
a bit,
swings
yeah.
round.
Like baseball almost.
Baseball, and that's why he's like, he's not prepared to defend any ball.
Yeah.
He's just prepared to swing hard at anything. And maybe that grip is helping him, the grip that you were talking about.
At 14, you could have also made it, bro.
Actually, also.
Bro, and the thing is, he just turned 14. Like, he's 14
Hey,
and a bit. Bro, he's in 8th standard summer vacation. It's not possible that he's coming out and standing and hitting.
So let
like
him
this.
enjoy, bro. Come
Let him
on.
enjoy. But
He's
not
good.
14.
But what is he going to go to school and say to his friends?
He's not. He's in
bro?
college.
What is he going to say?
in
You know what he's going to
college.
say?
To be, bro.
8th standard summer vacation.
Acha,
You know what he's going to go to his friends and say? Karke aaya main. सबसे पहले करके आया.
in 8th standard in our school, we had till the 8th grade we were wearing shorts. So the 8th standard summer vacation for me,
Correct.
the most excited I was about was wearing pants in the 9th grade. That's all I could think about.
Are you ashamed of
This
your
guy-
legs or?
I had too much hair back then. I was too skinny and too hairy. But I don't know, man. This guy doesn't look like he's 14, but I think everyone's life is just better if we all believe he's 14
Yeah, fuck
and
He's
Yeah,
14.
ignorance is bliss, bro.
he's achieved this insane feat. No
Corporate
other,
Sattu absolutely not having it.
no, I know for sure nobody else is ever going to beat this record. Ever.
Of being
What,
in
like
the IPL at
youngest player
14.
to hit
The youngest player to hit
100.
100 in the
At
IPL.
16 years old.
Yeah. 14. It's definitely not getting beat.
It's never getting beat. What?
I mean, I think we keep saying that. I think Chris Gale's one is probably the one that's not going to
30 balls.
No, that was like you're saying the highest, the number.
The fastest 100 in
you're
IPL
saying?
is-
Gale's not hit the fastest.
Yes, he
100 in
has.
IPL
Gale
history.
has.
30 balls or something.
Okay.
But imagine just seeing the list. It goes Gale, Suryavanshi, Yusuf Pathan, whatever. But that's insane, bro. Even at 30 years old, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's a crazy moment, but he's not 14.
So just retire at this point and just make money
Yeah,
off
no.
like
He's made enough money now.
social media. We need an intern.
Imagine that.
Final question for the IPL. Should MS Dhoni retire after this IPL season?
That's a question worth asking.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes.
Why is that a question, bro? I mean,
Should he or should he not?
Bro, he should be killed if he doesn't. Someone should take a fucking bat and beat him on the head with it if he doesn't try. Bro, eating money is fine. He's done enough for the country to eat money. But don't eat a spot in that team, bro. It's just like fucking annoying now,
To
dude.
be fair, he's eaten the 8th spot, bro. So it doesn't really
But it's a
matter.
spot, like the keeper spot, no?
But I think he's a decent keeper. He's probably still
He's
one
a
of the
very
best.
good
He
keeper.
is a decent keeper, but he's too bad with the bat. And he can't run. He only
Yeah,
complains
he
that
said about his
knees-
injury. That's the thing.
Do you think it's a us problem, man? I have so much expectation when I'm watching Dhoni.
Because people are going nuts, dude. Like, I have to turn the volume down on the TV, man, when he's walking
And then he
out.
shits the bed. What are you
And
expecting
then again
from
we
a 40?
expect.
So it's a us problem,
No, but
man.
it's a stadium that builds it up because the match is long gone.
Yeah.
And then suddenly the
Yeah.
whole stadium revives itself. Every
I
time
swear,
Dhoni comes
even
up.
on TV, after every wicket, there's a fucking ad. But if it's the one before Dhoni, there's never an ad. Bro, you see him walk out also. Bro.
Neil was
And then
saying,
Dhoni comes in the ad also, bro. Just non-stop.
Neil was saying he's been in ads more than he's been at the crease this year.
Dhoni Premier League. But
Yeah.
the IPL is going to have a huge who's the face of the league question after Dhoni retires and then Rohit and Virat. I think it's
Bro,
around
they
the corner
retired from
only.
tests.
Relax.
You
You
idiot.
don't know about Kohli and
You
Virat
idiot fool.
retire, bro.
I'm talking about like in a couple
Idiot.
years to come. That's what. So I mean, we'll come to that.
But that's a
in bit.
perfect transition. First, Rohit Sharma retired, the captain of India, Test cricket. Then Virat Kohli asked for retirement, and then he's finally got it this week. I don't
Polite,
even know what that means.
so polite, just like he was on the
But
field.
Rohit Sharma, first in that interview they did in the middle of that Australia Test series, in the middle of the match. मैं किधर नहीं जा रहा है? What did he say, bro?
Yeah, what-
मैंने कब बोला retire करने
हाँ,
होने
he
का?
said
मैं खेलेगा,
exactly
मैं
that.
खेलेगा. Boom, retired before the next series.
It's cap.
1-2 weeks later, Virat Kohli
You're calling
gone.
cap?
It's cap. Heavy cap.
What is cap?
What is cap?
They are both forced into retirement for sure.
By?
BCCI. Jai Shah.
No, not
Oh,
Jai
bro,
Shah.
Please don't badmouth the writer director.
But you've seen how Jai Shah hugs them and looks at them and
Look at
kisses
Kohli,
them.
bro.
No, it's not Jai Shah, obviously, but I think
Who is it?
BCCI as a board have definitely.
But even if they, why would they do it like this?
Gigi.
Why wouldn't they just plan it?
What did you say?
Gigi.
Oh.
That's GG.
Gotti, baby.
Oh.
Gotti.
So that's the conspiracies going around. That people are not fucking with Gambhir in the dressing room. And that's the reason why these two have.
What
Retired.
sense does that make?
They just don't fuck with him. Like his
Oh,
plans and like.
that.
You were telling
Bro,
me
I doubt
something.
That's true because if Kohli and Sharma go and complain about Gautam's gone before they're gone.
Arey, but they're not
Not
complaining,
complaining,
bro.
nah. They've had enough, bro. They've done enough anyway. Might as well retire. So there was this whole other conspiracy allegedly where they were like, we'll retire, have India get battered in England, and then come back after Gambhir is fired.
Or like messy vibes.
Yeah,
What is this chain kali ke main kali two or what?
yeah. Full game is being played, apparently.
Satu, you're going to say
Allegedly.
something?
No, I was just saying this is very similar to what Messi kind of did though.
Argentina?
Messi was just, yeah.
Bro,
He
you
was just
don't-
like, he just cried.
Disrespect.
Bro, a little
Yeah, he was just upset, man.
He was
So many
upset.
finals he had lost, bechara. Yeah.
bit. Bitch,
It's understandable, but it's fine. Now it's all fixed. But yeah, do you have any theories about this?
No, I agree with you. I think it is Gautam Gambhir for sure. Because as you said, Rohit Sharma clearly stated that he's not going anywhere. They also both of them played Ranji Trophy games.
To get better
Correct.
for England or for the next test series
Even
and
Anushka
stuff.
Sharma's post, she was like, I always thought I'll see you retire in the whites, which like obviously means something, bro. It's
Bhabhi ji says
In the whites, tidy whiteys.
like, tidy whities.
Every
In
night
them
at
off
home.
them.
So like, I don't know. I just feel like that was also
In
kind
them.
of like a hint at
little
maybe
nudge, little jab.
maybe it was all fixed.
And then Kohli also came out and said in some interview, I can't remember which one exactly, where he was talking about working on his back foot game and his cover drives for the upcoming England test. So there were a lot of conversation pieces, both from Rohit and from Kohli, where they were talking about the future ahead of test cricket and the England series particularly. So for them to now take this call all of a sudden, it's kind of sus and
And in the middle of
maybe-
what? Like, how random
So you're
was
gonna
it?
say in the middle of war.
No, what? Like, it's so random
Yeah,
to
it
do it
is.
at
Yeah,
this time.
exactly. Like yeah.
Rohit was like a week before the conflict
Now
started.
celebration. In the middle of a war, they announced this like selfish, bro.
the war broke out and Rohit Sharma put his story up.
Oh boy.
Maybe they're hostage. Does anyone know where they are right
Bus,
now?
bus. Enough.
Marriott Pakistan.
But anyway, so we talk about Rohit a bit. Your favorite Rohit Sharma test moment, if you guys have any.
Yeah, when he shouted at Jaiswal.
Yeah. What did he
Hey,
say?
Hey Jaisu, hey, गली
गली
क्रिकेट खेल
cricket
रहे हैं नीचे बैठ तो बोलने आएगा ऊपर मत आ. Like that, he shouted, bro. Oh,
Yeah.
they both shouted at Kuldeep was also too good.
Those were the best moments when he was like, Pujji, bhag, bencho. Imagine Rohit Sharma telling you to run. That's the whole. But whatever. Go ahead with yours.
I don't really have any favorite moment. I'm just happy that he retired from Test cricket.
Can you hate?
Hater, man. On his way out, you have to hate.
No, I mean I'll be sad when he retires from. I was sad when he retired from T20 cricket, and I'll be sad when he retires from Bombay, and then I'll be sad when he retires from ODI because he's had some solid contributions, but
Yeah, he's
as a
not
na-
a pink ball, red ball player.
he's not a red ball player. I mean,
Bro, he had an average of 40.
Great captain though still.
Average of 40. Not his white ball was way better.
average,
but
of,
average
40,
of 40 in
but his
Test is
fans
solid.
talk like he has an average of 70, bro. Like
Not in
that's how
Tests.
they hype him up,
Not in
and
Tests.
his captaincy and everything. I just don't think all that ho halla was warranted around him. I don't really have a favorite moment. Like you said, Pudji Bagh was a great moment. Jaiswal also on
I
the
think
stump
Rohit's,
mic.
it comes off out of the crease.
Yeah, it's more
not-
entertainment than, like-
His mic
Content
presence is
machine.
awesome. Yeah, content
Yeah.
machine. And
But-
that picture of him putting his head out of the window,
Yeah.
his hair all messed up. That was the moment he's like, okay, I need to go fix my hair.
I think he played tests for these lunch breaks and all. only, bro. It's Sattu's favorite player of
So
all
then
time. Rohit
Gambhir
Sharma.
cut short his lunch break and
But Rohit retired, and then everyone, of course, sent their messages. And then when Kohli retired, bro,
Bro, everyone's story was fucking cool.
that was insane. I mean,
didn't post for Rohit.
all these
I didn't post for
Rohit,
either.
I
yeah,
posted for Kohli. Best
Virat.
ever was
Rohit
Virat.
versus Kohli debates, I think, are pretty much settled with this.
Insta post.
But it was never a
These-
debate, bro. Let's be honest.
Insta stories can't debate. Arsenal are the best club in the world, bro. That way.
Ari, bro, we'll get to football. Let's talk about cricket right now, bro.
But
There's a lot of discourse
I'm saying
amongst Rohit fans and Kohli fans.
Virat,
Who's the biggest?
I'm a huge Rohit fan, but I'm saying Virat is clear in ODIs and tests. And
T20.
And
when he wins an IPL,
football.
maybe.
in
And
IPL,
Rohit,
yes, right?
And Rohit is clear in every other, in T20s basically.
I doubt.
I think
That's
so.
I
a-
don't think so. bro.
yeah.
I think so.
I mean,
Clear is hard, bro.
number
Like,
wise,
he's better.
numbers.
His teams have won more. He won as a
Just-
captain for India. He's had more centuries as a T20
But
batsman.
Kohli has
Like,
more
what
runs
else?
than as a batsman. Kohli has more runs than him
But it's
in
about
the
winning
IPL.
now. It's about winning.
That is true. We'll come to that later.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah,
you're
it's
doing,
winning.
you're doing some good foreshadowing. So I'm not
You
going
wouldn't know
to
about
dig
winning.
myself a hole and just agree with you for argument's sake.
But Kohli, favorite moment? Give us 5, 10, whatever you have.
Kohli, what did he say? 60 overs
of hell.
of hell. I mean, that was insane. That's goosebumps kind of shit. And that's kind of a microcosm of what he represented to the Indian Test team in terms of bringing that fire, that attitude. A complete opposite to the captains of the past, like Kumble, Dravid, Dhoni were very calm, very cool, very collected. Shaw must be successful in their own ways, but we'd always get rolled over in tests.
And
Don't-
abroad especially.
and abroad especially. I think Kohli came out there and made it a point, bro, test cricket is the pinnacle and we are here to fight. I remember as a kid, I did not like watching test cricket as much with my grandfather, my dad. They'd put it on and then India would either play for a draw or we'd end up losing, especially these games abroad. There'd be 1 or 2 performances where we'd all clap about. But there was no like consolidated effort. Kohli came in and he's like, we're going to go to we're going to go to the Sena nations and fuck everyone. Or at least give our hardest, which I really loved. And it, as a 16-year-old, it got me back into like test cricket. I'm like, shit, there's something on the line I'm going to watch.
He is the GOAT test captain in Indian history. Like, by, I think, a little bit as well. Because it's too hard to play abroad, and the fact that we were winning so much when he was captain is... You can't compare that to any other captain, I think.
Yeah, just a little sad stat I read today that until the 2027 Cricket World Cup, we will only get to see Kohli in the Indian jersey for just 27 days in the next 2 years. Obviously, it's the same for Sharma as well.
So let's have a countdown meter.
That's
27
sad.
days.
27 days.
It is.
in
If
2
you put
years.
it into, that is sad.
That's damn sad.
We're going to stop watching cricket after this. Just
I don't
imagine
really care, bro. But
I
Test
mean-
cricket's like I don't really give a shit anymore. Once Bumrah goes, it's like who cares?
that's.
That
Bro,
will be
imagine
crazy,
like
bro.
we've had some really iconic captains like Kohli. Like you look at him and you see him mouthing abuses, and then Rohit Sharma also has that aura as
Yeah.
a captain. And now Gill is going to come and he's going to be mouthing. and
Is it confirmed?
That's all that's going to go in my head, bro.
You've seen that drill sergeant meme from Bhag Milka Bhag when that one guy, they're all in their ganjis and that fucking villain from the what's that movie? The fuck. That Singham. That
Huh.
very famous villain from there. He's the drill sergeant. And these
Sonu
guys are
Sood?
all in no. These guys are all in ganjis and all in, you know how you have to be tight as a soldier, so you have to respond to all the commands. And he's just like yelling at this one guy, and he's literally like Shubman Gill, like, main karunga sir, India ki seva karunga, and all that stuff, bro. And they're literally saying Shubman Gill next
Then they
series.
also photoshopped his photo.
Yeah, everyone's just dying laughing.
Bro, he's too
But
good.
yeah.
His voice is hilarious. Like the whole point is that how can you go from Kohli shouting on the field to
Yeah.
then Shubman shouting on the field, bro? It's like
Yeah, we're gonna
We'll find out soon.
he's a talent with the bat. There's no doubt. He's incredible. But Yeah, you need that fucking fire, bro. Like Kohli's instilled that in that team. I think it's all gone.
I mean, like, if you look at the Gujarat record for Shubman Gill, it's pretty good right now. He's sitting at first. And
But
he's
let's
batting
not
very well.
different
It's a
game,
full
like,
different
like a
thing, but I'm
complete
just
different
saying.
game, bro.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like, let's not fully count him out. It's going to
No,
be
count
tough
him out.
to.
No, I think he's
it's
gonna
going to
do
be
well,
tough to
hopefully.
see it, maybe, but
I
let's
just
give
think
him some love.
is it confirmed yet that he's the Test captain?
Most
think
likely.
Bumrah-
I've been reading.
Bumrah said no, apparently.
Yeah.
Fuck
I've
Bumrah, what
been-
the fuck?
Bro, I don't think anyone likes Gambhir.
But he's playing anyways, so
Yeah, but I mean,
Captain,
being
you
a
have to sit
captain,
with him for
Yeah,
6 hours,
true.
bro. a day.
debrief.
what he's going to lose a test game and then what they're going to do that thing again where they lock each
Yeah,
other in the room
exactly.
and just
So
stay there
that's
for
the
10 hours,
thing
do a
Bumrah wants to
sleepover.
avoid
Exactly.
at all costs.
And with Bumrah's ass, you think Gambhir can resist that or what? But from a pure batsman's point of view, perspective, I think Virat underachieved in tests.
At the end, bro, last 2-3 years.
But I mean that those 2-3 years affected his numbers greatly,
A lot.
overall numbers. If you see the Fab Four, he's now the worst.
He was
of
leading
them.
that.
Yeah, he's fourth
Yeah.
in the Fab Four, and even in the all-time run getters for India, he is I think number 4, and he did not cross the 10,000 run mark. So I think, of course, the bar for Virat Kohli is super duper high. And relatively to speaking to that, I think as a batsman, he might have underachieved. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Of course, his effect as a captain completely offsets that for me. But just looking at him as a pure batsman,
Dude, I think like the Australians were literally scared or as shit of him. So like he could kill them. He single-handedly destroyed Australia for like 2 years.
Yeah,
Then
when
you see
that
the
collar
test
was up,
series-
it's over, bro.
That's a
the
great
test,
point.
That third
It's over.
test, literally that was Justin Langer. He
Langer.
was like, he's like, Kohli's in the crease, we're fucked. It's like at
so
that-
he had an effect beyond his
Beyond his, yeah.
stats that I hope.
But it happens, dude. At the end of your career, you get older. And I don't know, in every sport, it happened. LeBron got out in the first round this year, bro.
Relax, we'll get to it.
Like, I don't know. I mean, 2-3 years have been bad for him, but it happens. And it hurts it a little bit, but I think not as much as you are saying.
And also coming back to the retirement bit, bro, Lakshman, Dravid, Tendulkar, all of them retired when they were 38, 39, and Kohli is way fitter than them.
Yeah.
He's been fitter than they've ever been.
And he's
bro.
Yeah, he's a vegetarian.
And he's
bro.
been training like he wants to play
You would know.
forever. So the fact that he retired is surprising, and I think it's some drama only on the back.
Yeah, in the middle of.
There'll be a documentary that comes out.
Never, bro.
It'll be fun.
Never. This is India.
Well, let's go to football.
Let's go.
Zeus, you just want to start saying what you want to say, or should I ask you anything?
I'm gonna wrap up this episode.
Let's continue. I want to hear what they have to say first.
I have nothing to say.
So there was this.
I don't think there's been a better team in the competition
Yeah.
from what I've seen.
I actually agree.
What?
No, I think PSG finished 15th in the group stage, and I think that's the only other team that's even in the conversation for being the best.
Did
this year.
PSG finish 14th?
Yeah, but they had a
15th in
lot
the
of
league.
injuries in that.
Yeah, but that all is now part of the game, bro. I mean, I've heard Arsenal fans only complain about injuries.
Yeah, because
No,
we've
wait,
had the most injuries.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You can't give that excuse to
There's no
PSG.
intro,
You all have had the
nothing,
same thing. I do think you all have been the best team in the Champions League this year. You'll just
So let's
choked in the end,
let's give some context.
which you all always do.
Give some code.
So PSG knocked out Arsenal in the Champions League semi-final. Arteta has come out and said what Sammy said earlier.
I don't think there's been
It
a
was
better
very
team
clear.
in the competition from what I've seen.
It's very clear.
It's very clear.
So Arsenal are back to we had more possession. It's kind of the same thing. Talking nonsense despite losing.
So I in turn, after giving him kudos for
Never
not
give him props.
not making any noise, being respectful by putting on earphones and watching the show, he's just gone and dropped his iPhone and completely ruined the mood. Where were we?
Do you agree with that statement first? And is it the right thing to stay at that time? That we were the best team in the Champions League, but we can't win again.
You want to go ahead?
Bro, you all are wearing the jerseys. Do whatever the hell you want.
So, I mean, again, Arteta, Arsenal, the media will always pick us apart. It's always us against the media, and anything,
Oh my god.
anything he says or does will be blown out of proportion.
He
Because
says ridiculous things.
no, because he said that I don't think there's been a better team in the competition from what I've seen. I mean, if you take XG into account, we had
Before it
more
was possession,
XG.
now it's XG.
We had more XG than PSG over both the legs. And then, so those are purely stats and from what he's seen. And then Arteta goes on to say, watching it back, watching the stats, it's very clear that we were the better team, but it's not about the winning probability. It's about making it count. So that's a very sensible take, which these reporters have not taken as the headline. They've taken the headline as I don't think there's been a better team in the competition from what I've seen. Okay, cool. He's just like lost the biggest game. He's a little emotional. He's getting a little defensive. He's not still talking out of his ass. He's citing good data. And then he's saying, yeah, but like when it mattered, we didn't show up.
Did he
What do
say-
you want him to say?
Did he say that
Only
XG part,
when
or did you add
didn't
that?
go up.
No, he's talking about stats,
No,
right?
did-
So
okay.
I'm bringing the
Okay,
stats.
okay.
Like
That's fair.
he's my
I
manager.
actually don't think that's an outlandish statement at all.
Exactly, and
It's
like
just hilarious.
It's just funny.
like media outlets like Tana are just quoting like
I
all
think
this
he's-
You
bullshit.
started with the score.
he
what
has
you
said some
talking about?
ridiculous shit in the past. I don't think this statement was one of them.
I think all the stuff he says as well, most of the time is just to take the heat off the players and it works. But
Arey, what a
Can I walk up
friendly
ball?
guy, bro. What a
yeah,
Can I walk up
exactly.
ball?
Not one person was talking about the players, and
Yeah.
after that, everyone was stripping balls because they were like,
But what a
And
friendly
that's
guy, bro.
genius. Who?
Yeah, genius. He wins all the time.
But
But
getting back to it, Arteta in, Arteta out.
Arteta out of this conversation. Arteta in. Arteta in.
For sure, like you're backing him.
Yeah,
what if,
I'm
what if it's
backing him.
another year trophyless?
It doesn't matter. They're a small club.
Okay, you know, you United fan. Do you
You United
watch?
fan.
Do you watch United games? No, because your team plays so badly.
No, bro, because Europa League starts at 12:30 a.m. How can I watch?
Exactly. Champions League starts at 12:30. I stay up.
But your job starts at 11. Mine starts at 8.
Let's not get jobs.
Yeah. I mean, we've made progress. I like watching my team day in day out. We compete in the
I
top
like winning, but
4.
I like winning.
Yeah, you win. You don't even watch them.
I like winning.
You don't
I'll watch
watch
the final
it. and
happily.
yeah,
bro.
we win. We win.
I like winning.
This is
That's it.
just plastic
I cannot
fan.
believe I'm cheering for Tottenham in a fucking final. Bro. I cannot believe
Who are you
it.
guys rooting for
Tottenham.
in this final? It's a
I-
tough one, no?
No,
No, man. I'm rooting for United.
no chance.
They can't say it's Spurs, bro.
Bro, why?
As an Arsenal fan.
I don't know any
I
fucking
don't know any
Spurs,
Spurs fans, bro.
No,
I
no,
think
but
United
it's not
fans
about the
are now
fans.
way
It's
more
about,
irritating than Spurs
it's about the
fans.
culture.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Not
No,
for us.
Not
Our
for,
culture's a
not
little
for you,
different.
bro. Not for you, bro. For Arsenal fans, they are diehard. They have to say
Yeah, but
Spurs.
their culture is different because they both live in North
I
London.
know,
and
but
shit.
they
It's
pretend like they fucking belong there, no?
I don't know. I mean,
Diehard, I'm watching all the games. I enjoy.
like how you have this stupid argument that my team finishes just above the relegation zone, but if I'm competing for a
Did I
trophy,
say
that's
United
enough
had
for
a
me.
good season? Did I say United had a good season?
I've had a really successful season.
Did I say
etc.
United have a good season? I said they have a chance to win one more trophy than Arsenal.
Same way.
Okay.
Same thing last year, same thing 2 years ago.
Same way, Spurs are our arch rivals, and like I would like to have one over our.
I agree. I would rather
Direct
see
derby.
United win.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't want. I just my
Because they
problem
already
is
did
those
it and it
fucking
was.
United fans. They're gonna be like, we're in the Champions League next year. So how does it matter? But we're gonna play Champions League football and you're not gonna play. So
Isn't
how does
this
that
all
matter?
facts, stats, facts that he was talking about?
What?
That we'll have potentially one more trophy than you and we'll be in the Champions League over Chelsea. If it all works out.
sure.
One
but
minute,
if it all works out
We're
like
in
that.
the
If
race.
it all-
We're in the race, bro.
Yeah,
If
if it
we-
all works out.
Pop the champagne also, na.
We're fifth and all, but we're in the race.
I'm saying if it all works out like that. I
Yeah,
didn't say it's
United
gonna
next
happen.
week.
You all have lost to Spurs thrice this season.
Okay,
So
but
you will have
Spurs
to-
hasn't won.
That is
Bro,
embarrassing
if you're
as
throwing
fuck,
that,
bro.
Spurs
That
will
is
win a
embarrassing
final
as
to
fuck.
Spurs.
That'll be the worst thing ever. That'll be the worst thing ever. It's
That'll
over.
be the
it's over.
best thing ever,
It's
bro.
over.
That'll be the best thing ever. Let's go to that.
But if you're
let's call out
throwing
that Spurs
3
fan club.
this year, I'll say Spurs has never won a trophy in 100 years. All these stats and all, bro. Now you're saying. What is this?
Random link, but
What is this, bro?
That makes that it's a
History,
random
history.
link.
So genuine.
No,
like,
he's talking about what happened, and I'm talking about what happened in the
so I
past
genuinely
also.
want to know, like, if United do win the Europa this season, and Arsenal say they don't even hold on to that second spot, say they finish third. Have United had a better season than Arsenal?
No, but we have one more trophy than Arsenal this year.
But why do you say no? I feel like if y'all build from that next year.
No, but
then
it's also
sure,
about
it's
the
a
I
better
think
quality.
I think it's ridiculous to say that United have had a better season than anyone in the world right now, bro.
Like I'm not that. It is.
But
You
commendable,
have to
they've not
play
even lost
decent,
a
bro.
game in
Yeah.
Europa and all.
Yeah.
They're playing shit opponents. Like
Yeah.
you can't take it away from Arsenal. They're not playing those opponents. Like they're playing better opponents in the Champions League.
I understand, bro.
I was
like,
sitting and arguing with 2 United fans yesterday over this, saying that it's not even comparable. Like
But absolutely
the
champagne football,
semi-finals,
bro.
semi-finals of a Champions League
From
is a
United.
bigger achievement than winning the Europa League. That's a fact.
Say that again. Sorry.
Winning, forget bigger achievement because that's subjective. It's harder to reach the Champions League semi-finals than win the Europa League. A fact.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think everyone would agree.
Yeah.
And
And
I
even
was
finish
mainly,
second in the league
I
is
said
harder.
Yeah.
no, it wouldn't be a more successful season because they don't play good football, bro. Like, you
Who?
have to reach somewhere, na?
You're right,
The years, yeah.
I actually think y'all shouldn't win the Europa. It's better for y'all.
Amirim
Because it's
also
just gonna
said
be
something
like
along
paper
the
over
lines.
cracks that just is.
Amirim is
He
just
talks damn well,
It's gonna
bro.
be a
but he
he's
doesn't,
damn short,
he
bro.
doesn't perform only one in the Prem,
He's like,
especially.
you're right.
Amirim is that short.
He's damn short,
he?
bro.
No,
He
no, he's not
doesn't
that
look
Bro, he's
short,
damn
bro.
short.
What?
Bro,
he's
he's not-
5'2"?
5'6" and
what's
a
your
half.
actual height? What's your
5'6" and a half.
No chance, bro.
He's 5'10".
I mean,
yeah,
shoot.
bro. No chance he's
What
that.
are you saying, bro?
5'10's damn short, yeah.
Bro,
How
Gambhir,
tall
you're
are
thinking
you?
of, man.
How tall are you?
Me, 6'2".
That makes
You
me.
can't compare Indians' heights, yeah. It's not fair.
You just said he's as tall as me.
Just to understand the height.
And to be fair, if you squint, bro, he looks like he's from India.
Arteta in.
But
For
on
one season.
back to Arsenal.
One more season.
Yeah, I just...
next season.
Yeah, what do you think,
Arsenal
Sattu?
fucking pissed me off.
Dude, the thing is, so there are good coaches
But-
available right now. So
Like?
Allegri,
Zidane.
Zidane, and
Zidane wants to
Xabi
work, but-
Alonso.
Xabi Alonso, Xavi. Xabi Alonso's done.
Yeah, Madrid.
Madrid,
Mostly. Yeah,
confirmed.
because
Here we
Ancelotti
go.
good in Brazil.
Oh, here we
That's
go.
such a
Romano's confirmed it.
that's
boss.
such a aura
Ancelotti Brazil.
Brazil's gonna be a fun one.
aura
bro.
like Mount Everest of aura is Brazil and Ancelotti.
I think he had to leave Europe for the tax issues, bro. So he's gone to South America, bro.
He'll get another
Vijay
passport.
Mallya scene, bro.
actually.
Yeah, he was about to go to prison and shit.
What
Whoa.
the fuck?
Yeah, he was big tax evasion.
Damn.
I think all these guys evade tax. About
They
getting
try
caught
at
or no,
least,
bro.
na. Trump is like, if you don't do that, you're not smart. So
You think he goes to
It's
prison,
Arsenal, bro.
gets it in the ass, and his other eyebrow will also come up?
But
So-
that's also stopped, right? Like, no top level coach now does international team plus like a club.
No, no,
Gareth-
one
No,
does.
no,
No
no.
one does. two
remember that
teams, bro.
Lopetegui did it?
Yeah,
Lopetegui
it's
was-
Lopetegui.
Got fired from Madrid.
Double dating,
Sacked,
bro.
yeah.
Yeah, that was too fun. Was that Euros World Cup? He got
World Cup.
sacked. in
He took
start
the
only.
Spain job.
Yeah, and then
Madrid's
who,
like,
who,
bye.
Who replaced him? I forgot.
I think Henri did it for a bit.
With Belgium.
But
With
he was
Belgium
he was
and-
not the
Assistant coach,
He was
na,
assistant
yeah.
coach of Belgium.
Yeah, and then he
yeah.
was coaching Montreal.
Yeah, but
and he was doing France. the
And then he did
under
France
19s or
Olymp.
something also.
And he did the CBS
Olympic
goal
squad.
also.
Olympic squad he did France. That's also aura, bro. When they're walking out of those
Yes.
gold medals.
Yes.
What is Joachim Low doing?
Sniffing
he's
his
low, he's retired,
balls.
but say na.
He's digging his
So
balls.
Arteta out or in?
In for one more season. If you don't win anything next season, anything. If fuck FA
5
Cup,
years a
Community
long
Shield,
time,
Pinchot
bro.
works.
Community Shield doesn't work.
I'm less concerned about the time. We've been shit for 20 years.
But
we
I'm
might be
saying
shit
that
for another 20. It's the spend.
Progress, okay, y'all have played well in the third year, fourth year, fifth year, y'all have played decent, right?
Yeah.
But when does it convert to one trophy? Like one, okay, y'all.
I think this
But
year.
one something at least
But,
more substantial.
okay,
This
if
year
you-
was your chance because Premier League was dog shit.
was yours this year.
Yeah.
But also we had the most injuries by a mile.
But you have to have a squad that's ready for those injuries.
By a mile.
Agreed,
bro.
but that
we had
also then
United,
becomes a
Liverpool-
chairman and board issue.
Liverpool, the year they competed with City and finished second, they had I can't remember exactly, but it was 11 or 12 different centre back partnerships.
Sure, okay. But that's a very specific part of the squad. We've overall had 27 injuries in this season alone. Liverpool have had, 14?
27 on who are these 27, bro?
Yeah, but not
Saka, Odegaard, Havertz.
Odegaard might
Marino
be,
in the start.
might be on fraud watch.
He
huh?
is on fraud.
Odegaard
Yeah.
might
That
be
is
on
season,
fraud
yeah.
watch. huh?
Martinelli,
Look at your stats of this season, bro. I think Cucurella has as many.
Gabriel, Ben White. Like these are all
Gabriel's a big one.
These
Saka,
are-
Gabriel are the big ones.
these are all like first 11 players that have been in and out of the squad at some point or the other.
But counter argument is we should have
Okay,
at
wait.
this point we should have backup for that, right? we
next
saw
year,
what happened with
next
Saliba
year,
last
if you have 24 injuries and you don't win anything, you finish
27.
second. Sorry, 27 injuries and you finish second and you go deep in the Champions League but don't get to the final. Arteta, I
Have
know
we
out.
signed? Have we signed players or no?
Arteta, I know out. Doesn't matter. Chal, you
I
sign the
think
best
Arteta out
striker.
if you don't sign the right
No,
players.
Yeah,
right?
if you don't sign a striker, Arteta out.
If the board doesn't back him, doesn't sign players for him, and he's had so many injuries, and he's still achieved what he achieved this season, next season, Arteta in.
What did he achieve?
He's
Nothing.
Semi-final,
I
yeah.
was going to say nothing.
But he's also not
Sattu
like
is done with it, bro. This guy's still hopeful.
semi-final and second in the Premier League with no reinforcements in the Premier League. You saw what that did to City.
Second for now.
Second for now. Fingers crossed. I mean, and if you're not gonna, I mean, the squad clearly needs a striker, a winger, right?
Yeah. I think it's also just we've gotten this far with whatever drawbacks we've had, injuries or lack of players, etc.
But every year you can't say how unlucky you're
But that's
getting,
the thing.
bro.
Okay, if
Every
you look at
team gets
Liverpool's
unlucky, man.
past this thing, right? Like till the COVID Premier League, how long was that whole like shit period of theirs?
30 years about now.
Cool. That potentially means we
But
could
they
have
won
another.
Champions Leagues in the middle,
Champions
bro.
Leagues in the middle, bro.
When can you ever
Start
say
from
that?
Okay, which was what 2000.
One.
Five.
No, they
2019,
beat
they
Spurs
won.
9, that fine. Yeah, 19.
Huh.
5 and then 5 before that.
Yeah.
5 to
2005.
19.
They
Yeah,
won.
but I don't know. I feel like you don't know how long that shit. I mean, for United as well, if you remove the Europa leagues and you say that okay, we're just looking at a major trophy
Europa League.
league.
No, yes.
Apologies.
FA Cups.
Only we have to.
Yeah, but I mean, if you look at a Premier League drought, it's very likely it could be a 50-year drought. You don't know. So
Aisa.
it's a. But I would like to see some change and see someone else try.
Well, I think
Yeah,
you'll need to solidify.
exactly,
Like
no?
Gabriel Saliba might be the best centre-back partnership in this
Sure.
thing. But one of them like, gets injured and you straight go to Kiwior.
But Kiwior
It's-
played really well. That was not
Played
even the
really well.
problem.
He might play a game well. Can he play a season well? Can he replace one of these guys well? I don't think he can.
Also, what we had to do with Merino is just insane for a club that's.
Merino might be the MVP of this fucking year, bro.
Bro, he is better. He is looking like Giroud, but much better.
How does he keep scoring these goals, bro? Like, it's crazy. Dude,
And the
respect to
link-up
Merino,
play,
no doubt. Dude,
the
he's been
link-up
fucking good.
play.
Last match he had all the stats checked, no? Goal, yellow,
Yeah.
red.
I
Was that
think
it?
so. I don't know.
I don't remember. I don't know.
Goal, yellow, red.
Yeah, the
I
Liverpool match.
I blacked out.
Assist, he didn't. Assist.
But
Assist? I don't know. I don't
yeah,
know.
like we
Don't
need to
think
sign a striker. If like they don't go in and
Isak.
sign a
I
striker,
don't think Isak wants to play.
The-
I don't
other
think
guy-
we are going to do any better than we did this season.
Who do you... Okay, if you had to sign one player, would it be Isak only still?
Visa,
Visa,
like I said in
Visa-
episode
the minute-
69 of the
The
casual.
day you said Visa, he's been shit.
yeah. And Isak can fly.
Isak's been flying.
Fucking Newcastle is third because
So I'm not. Yeah, I mean Isak,
Don't say his
of
name.
course.
Isak.
Yeah, I would do.
Bro, Isak is a fucking killer.
Bro, where is this guy gonna go, bro? The Nigerian striker, Osimhen. Where is he gonna go? in the summer?
Osimhen,
I think he
United.
wants, United want everybody. Osimhen, Gyökeres, everybody. But I don't think anybody wants to come to United.
Because there are no links.
United.
There are no links. I mean, the season is ending. I haven't seen any strong links except Zubimendi
Zuba.
Zubimendi's done,
And
no?
the manager
to
stuff.
any
He's
club.
confirmed, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, confirmed.
Fabrizio has.
Arsenal lost and then they released this
Signed a
news.
CDM.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Chelsea,
But
I know Chelsea are very much in the race to sign Osimhen. They want
He's a
him really
Chelsea
badly.
player.
What do you mean?
What do I mean?
What does that mean, bro?
Like he fits your system great.
Why, bro?
Ah.
Why, bro? Did you see what other Nicholas Jackson did over that day in the game?
Red card.
You didn't see, did you see the red card?
Yeah. He
He didn't even
whacked
look
him,
at the
na?
ball, bro. He straight went with his elbow, bro.
Nick
Idiot
Jackson.
But
But, yeah, apparently Chelsea want him really bad. Like they're offering 400k a week also.
Damn.
Oh.
also, he's been like really good in the Turkish league. Like genuinely, some of the shit. he's been
Different
doing-
ball game.
But bro, I mean, like juggling the ball over like 3 players and then trying a bicycle and shit is techie.
But now, like,
He should be doing that. We
Yeah.
expect that. of
in
him.
Turkey, should
Yeah.
be doing that.
But Gyökeres screams Premier League flop. I think whoever signs him is
No,
going to be
dude,
a
that's
bad-
hard. That's harsh.
Can't just say this
No, like,
confidently. bro.
If he signs for United, sure. But anywhere else, I think he'll do well.
Anybody who comes in with one of those, dumb signature celebrations, no, they flop in the Premier League.
So lucky the relegation teams are shit this
Bro,
year.
bro, you didn't hear the stat. If you take out the
What do you
three,
mean by fucking-
the relegation teams, if you take out all 3 of them,
17
and
points
all
clear.
like teams that have played them, so basically every team would have like what 32 fixtures or whatever.
Yeah.
United would be relegated.
2, 4,
They'd be
6,
gone.
6. Yeah.
Like if you take out results against the relegated
No, I
teams, United are gone.
What is that? What does that Italian chef say? If my grandma had balls, he'd be a
If
grandma.
your bike, if my grandma
If I had wheels,
she'd
she'd be a bike.
But that's so,
So we
bad.
can do if, when, and
16th
all, bro.
17th is crazy, bro.
It's 17 that. Yeah, it is 16. Yeah, that would have been bad.
Chris Wood to Arsenal.
Chris Wood doesn't fit Arsenal system.
Yeah. I don't know, bro. I mean,
At this point, we've not had a
Merino?
striker for so long.
I don't have a system also.
Broach the injuries, man. Don't.
I don't know what kind of striker would you see over there. I don't see a Chris Wood fitting
Can't be a
there.
hold-up.
I
It
don't.
has to be someone.
Who only
helping up in
Isak is the
Liverpool.
option on?
Yeah,
Who
Isak.
else can you think of?
I mean, but
Will you
Isak
play-
is so
You don't need a
unique.
ball
bro.
We
playing
have
striker,
valued him at
bro.
140 million right here, bro. Will you pay that? Will the board pay it? Will Stan pay it?
Yeah, I'll say
Will
yes.
Stan
I'm giving the sign off.
I don't think y'all need a ball playing striker. Y'all need an out and out finisher.
Like Wood?
Isak is top.
But Isak is a ball playing striker.
But
And
he's
a
not
finisher.
he carries the ball forward, but he doesn't. He's not he's a finisher, bro, of the ball. Like Kai is just a ball playing striker.
Okay.
You need an out and out finisher. Obviously, a ball playing striker.
I see
everyone-
what you mean.
But yeah, like Isak is obviously incredible.
Isak would
It's
be
easy
the
to say
dream,
he's,
right? I mean,
Actually, think of Darwin Núñez would fit your system well.
bro, please, we cannot have more
I
donkeys,
I
bro.
swear, I think Darwin Núñez fits your
Cannot have
system
more
well, bro.
donkeys, bro.
Bro,
Darwin
to this
is-
day, that
We already have Martinelli.
Bro, my God,
It's
he's
so
so
frustrating
irritating
to
bro.
watch.
He just puts his head down and
You know,
runs.
Sebao. That day, he's like, I told him Martinelli is the worst player in the Premier League. He's like, bro, what do you say? He's fucking one of the best players. Chill.
He's not watching, bro.
Yeah, he's clearly not.
Bro, in the Champions League games, he looked so
Out of his
lack of confidence, bro. Like, anytime he'd get a long ball, instead of taking a touch and actually driving, even though there was no one coming on him, he'd always try to play it off the first touch, like saying, like, almost signaling, saying, like,
I don't want
want
it.
the responsibility.
It's back to what Henry said, right? Which we discussed, where he was just railing into him, going like, "What kind of winger plays like this?"
Yeah.
If it's like, okay, sure, you have a confidence issue, but for how long?
Mhm.
At some point, then you have to kind of cut the
Yeah.
ties.
Today I saw some Arsenal fan post, oh, Martinelli should play centre forward striker. Like, no, man. No.
He shouldn't
point.
play, period.
Just play him off the bench. Get him on as an impact sub.
Impact sub. Trossard is the best impact sub in the Premier League. We'll say that.
Or play him right wing back, bro. Sell
So
him to
Arteta
Leverkusen.
Our whole thumbnail is gone.
I said Arteta out of this
That's how clickbait works, no?
Yeah, you can say Arteta out.
But
Okay, Liverpool win yet another fraud title. First one was
What's to really
COVID.
say on that, bro? COVID's not a fraud title, at least. Like, they're fighting for that. Yeah.
It's a fraud title.
I think that this
one was too
PL
bad,
was too
bro.
bad. It was the worst. Like, Salah might have had the best individual season of all time, but overall, they had to be more dominant. The only
That-
reason they won this year is because City shit.
Yeah.
If City were even half the team they were, they're winning the
And
Premier.
Arsenal.
Arsenal. Ultimate chokers.
And we got
Cheap
Trent.
deals.
That was the big one, right? We were talking about earlier. Confirmed to Madrid. Is he
Would
a
you
snake?
boo him?
Bro,
I was
that's
very
so
surprised.
bad, man.
Yeah.
That's so bad on the Liverpool fans, bro. If I was Trent, I'd be like, fuck you, bro. No, I don't give a fuck.
No, but he said, "Should I want to spend the rest of my life in Liverpool."
No, he was asked in an interview, can you see yourself spending the rest of your career? He's saying, yeah, I could see that, bro. Now,
I want
opportunities
to.
come up in life. He's won everything for them. Like, there's nothing else he can do there, bro. He's doing so well for them. He's gonna get shit. He's not defending well. Salah's
I
gonna get all
agree
the
with
praise.
GS, man. Like, how much.
No,
Like,
I'm just trying to make a point. I'm not saying it's the right thing to boo at all.
I wouldn't boo. I wouldn't boo.
I wouldn't
Trent.
boo for sure. I mean, I'd just be like, fair, bro.
Yeah, he's achieved everything with the club.
Exactly.
Yeah, like Ronaldo did that at United and went to Real Madrid. Obviously, Ronaldo is a million
Ronaldo's
times
home-
better.
it's not homegrown,
Yeah,
that's
I
the
know.
only
Homegrown
difference.
hurts more, I guess, but still, man, he's
But
a
Ronaldo
legend
is
of
much
the club.
better, more impact on each game.
Yeah, but he's not homegrown. So he's,
Yeah, I guess.
when you buy someone, there's already no
Sure,
loyalty.
sure.
The loyalty factor
Understood.
doesn't come.
Also, like in Madrid's arguably worst defensive season of all time,
They're adding
signing
Trent.
is-
But Trent is going to defend well in the La Liga, bro. He plays well. He defends well in the Champions League. He just can't defend in the Prem.
yeah, fair.
And honestly, that's also an
But
overrated factor.
Madrid are heading towards some, like, you know, when they had all the OG
Galacticos,
Galacticos,
yeah.
when they signed all of those players. They'll have Bellingham, Trent, Mbappe, Mape,
Cancelo.
Vinny.
They're trying for Cancelo also, right?
No, Cancelo's
From Barca?
no team should try for them.
But anyway, these are like the
Cancelo
four
doesn't
best.
play
I mean, you could argue Trent is the best right back. You can argue Bellingham is the best centre mid. You can argue Mbappe is the best striker and Vinny the
Mape.
best winger. This is quite literally the Galacticos.
Al Hilal he's playing for. Last season he was at Barca or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think again it'll just prove the same point that it doesn't necessarily.
It doesn't work, right? That's
Yeah.
what are they heading towards
They
that?
won one Champions League, right? With the Galacticos.
Mm,
That Zidane volley.
but wasn't that before the Galacticos?
But that was 1 year before.
I think
what
they
a
won.
goal. Bana.
I think they won one
That was
La
like, I don't
Liga.
think Beckham was a part
Beckham
of
too.
that.
Oh,
Zidane,
Beckham
no?
wasn't there.
Yeah.
No. That was Carlos. He launched it
Ah,
up in
yeah.
the air. Yeah.
I think they won one La Liga when
That's
Beckham
it?
won. Yeah, one
And
La
how many
Liga.
years was Beckham there for?
I
think
don't
Beckham
think
was
that
3,
team was
4.
around for very long. Like
No.
all of them at the same
And
time.
that's Brazilian Ronaldo also was cursed with injuries throughout his career also.
And he
like-
just loved to party, like all these Brazilians, man.
Do you think this is the best year of El Clasicos we've had? Like,
I mean,
a long
Barcelona
time.
won all of
Since-
them, right?
yeah, but I'm just saying in terms
And
of
two
entertainment
of them were-
value
yeah.
outside
Oh,
of
yeah.
Barcelona have been the best team in the world.
How
this
did they
year,
not
for
make
sure.
it through against Inter?
But that was the
bro?
craze. That's the best semi-finals I've ever seen in my life.
Crazy.
Insane game.
Crazy highlights, bench. Oh, like I was in Saudi, I was working. Bro. Can't-
Yeah, Champions League, Barcelona, Inter Milan.
Was crazy.
Bro, Barca choked it
But
hard.
generally, football games
Yeah,
this
they
year have
did.
been damn entertaining. Like the United.
Bro,
Leon
every
one
time
was-
the Champions League comes around at this stage, quarterfinal, semi-final, I know people don't want to hear this, but I think the Super League is so fucking close.
Yeah.
And it's going to
But-
be...
the Club World Cup's practically the Super League
No.
this year.
No, not even...
What are you talking about?
What are you talking?
Who's
Super League
participating
is
in the...
all the big teams in
So what is
Europe.
Club World Cup?
But it's not. It's the winners
I didn't know.
all
bro,
around
it's
the
different
world.
Now. The
What is your
format's
club?
changed.
What is the Club World Cup? this year?
Everyone's playing.
Messi's
Arsenal's
playing in it.
Chelsea's playing. It's like the last 5 winners of the participants.
But Arsenal never won the Champions League.
No, but it's
Yeah, that's why I said Messi's playing.
So like they're including the last 5 and then like the top teams of all other leagues. Like it's not only one good team this year. It's I don't know how you all don't know.
And they're going to play each other again in the Champions League also, in the group stages.
I wonder what we're not recording. Are we recording?
Yeah.
I wonder if teams are going to take their full.
Squads to
Full
Club World
squads.
Cup.
Yeah, so the Club World
Bro,
Cup
good chance
is...
for Arsenal to win a trophy right there.
Arsenal's not playing.
No?
United's not playing. It's
United, though, I
City,
didn't
Chelsea
expect
from
at all.
England, Dortmund
Yeah.
from Germany, Munich from
But what
Germany,
makes
Salzburg.
City and Chelsea go?
Yeah,
Like, what's
see, it's a
the...
pretty decent. It's Madrid because of they're taking like the last few winners of the Champions League.
Oh.
But Salzburg is there. And Dortmund hasn't
No, so
won.
it's not only that. It's like
Porto and Benfica also
so, you know,
there.
there's a year which teams have qualified. Here. Chelsea because they won the Champions League. Then Madrid Champions League. Bayern, PSG, and Milan because of UEFA ranking pathway. Porto, Benfica, Dortmund all again same. Juventus, Atletico, Salzburg. It's all because of the UEFA ranking.
Bro, it's some arbitrary bullshit, bro.
And then
Yeah,
Inter
straight
Miami, bro.
Yeah, Inter Miami is there, but that's only because he host
Yeah.
nation.
Host nation.
Miami.
No, bro. The Club
Yeah,
World Cup is
host
not going to
nation's
be close to what the Super League is going to be because there are so many shit clubs in this, bro. There's Wydad FC,
What do you mean?
AC,
Look,
bro.
Club World Cup will have United and Spurs.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Or whatever, Super League.
Seattle Sounders. Like UEFA sending a
Host
contingent.
nation.
OFC is sending a
How many
contingent.
times?
Coimball is sending a contingent. CONCACAF is sending a contingent. So like,
Say
But the Super League
contingent
will be
again,
sh-
not truth.
It won't be good. Because they have
Contingent.
nothing to play for after a point.
Yeah,
like
yeah. I don't think
it's
it's
just
that
gonna
great.
kill the
Super League?
Yeah, that's why an IPL will never be as entertaining as a national team.
Oh.
Like
What are
IPL is
you
probably the
saying?
most entertaining
No, no,
format
okay,
of
to
cricket
What are
there
you
is, bro.
saying, bro, Sattu?
pause to watch.
Let
Sure,
him
but
argue.
I'm saying you'll never have the same level of emotion and
What do you mean when
excitement.
Thala walks out?
Sure.
Emotion.
I
Let him
mean,
walk out for India next
the emotion comes with the tradition and like the
Obviously, yeah.
rivalries
Yeah,
that are
yeah.
rooted in
Having
history.
something on the line is like important. I don't know.
Yeah, but I just feel like the way sport is moving forward, these games are just so
Franchise-based.
entertaining, bro. And these games have a reach beyond the regular watchers. I think these games are so entertaining. Everyone is locked into them, bro.
So, unlike...
But sure, that's also because it's fascinating because it happens once in 4, 5,
That's
6 years.
fair
Every
enough.
Saturday or Sunday, if you're going to see Barca and Inter do a 7-all or 7-3,
But imagine if that's possible, bro.
then that will become boring, I guess. Right? Like it's what you guys were saying about
200 in
people
every
scoring
innings.
200 in every
Mm.
game is boring. Like, is
Yeah.
it not the same thing?
Sattu
I
likes
don't
to be
think
teased
so, man.
before
I
getting fucked.
don't think so. Like a Barca, I mean, the quality of football was insane versus the quality of football when Arsenal is playing Leicester.
Arsenal best quality ever.
Yeah, I'm talking
For
about
the-
Leicester. I'm talking about Leicester.
What did he say?
Or like a United playing a Southampton. I mean, both like relegation battling sides. Like
Very clear.
that's what I mean. Where the quality is condensed within like 20 teams, and each team has a chance to win. Like IPL at the start of every season, there isn't too much separating the 10 teams as opposed to a cricket World Cup. There are only
India,
3
Australia, New Zealand are
teams.
pretty much...
And the
gonna
nation
be,
that
yeah.
must not be named. Yeah, but
oh, hey, oh.
but like that's what I mean. I mean the quality will be condensed, and so
But then the
therefore-
longer term argument is that grassroots football will die.
Yes.
Like
I mean,
Liga, if PSG leaves, is finished. What are they going to do?
There are
So-
insane repercussions. I'm just thinking about it from a business perspective and
Entertainment.
entertainment perspective. I don't exactly know where I stand on the argument because whenever I watch a game like this, I'm like, shit, the Super League will
I
be
want
insane.
more. I want more.
Yeah.
And they'll have to expand it as well, right? Because if you see how many games footballers play
Mm-hmm.
in a year,
Bro,
if you do a Super League thing and
They're
pull them
playing
out
too
of the
many
normal
games,
league,
man.
you
They're
have to
playing
have
too many
20 or
games.
30 teams.
Yeah.
they are playing way too many games.
The workers in Qatar who made the stadium and then footballers. Two most overworked people.
And I enter.
And moms.
And
Happy Mother's Day. Ciao. Anything else?
But any predictions for the UCL final? Who we got?
Oh,
Inter.
I'm gonna go PSG because everybody loses their first one and wins. Somehow,
That's a good point.
It
But
always
Inter
happens
also
in-
lost recently, right?
yeah, but they've never PSG have never won. They've reached 2 finals, right? They lost the first one, and actually that was also the chance of COVID year 2020, and they were also on for a treble. Bayern won the treble that year, but so this year they're on for a
Which was
treble.
the
They're on
other
for a treble
final?
again.
This is the second one.
This is the second
Yeah.
one, right?
Dude.
So, in 2020 when they were on for the treble, and they're on for a treble this year again. So I think they're gonna get it.
I think a final comes down to who has more like
Balls.
dudes and balls.
Yeah.
Dude for dude, I think Inter edges it out.
I think they've beat Bayern and Barcelona on the way, so it's tough to go bet against them.
Lautaro, Thuram leading that line.
Bro.
Who wins the Ballon
It's
d'Or?
mad
Inter
entertaining.
with
Dumfries.
the Dumfries, bro. What a
Mkhitaryan.
player. But the way they
Damian.
played against Barcelona was crazy, bro. It was insane.
They're too fast,
I don't know who
bro.
wins the Ballon d'Or if Inter win the Champions
Messi.
League. I think if PSG win, I think Dembele gets the Ballon d'Or. But
Bro, I would hate that.
why?
After what he did that Barca Liverpool match, that tie. But I would say Inter as well. I think they have.
You're all going for Inter?
Let's make a bet.
But 1 minute.
Come na.
I think I'm going to go for Inter.
I think move PSG.
Internationale.
No superstars, bro. It's like this is what Luis Enrique wanted.
But you need superstars to win a
Do you?
Champions League final.
Really?
Find
not,
out.
bro.
You need
Come
more
to the
dudes,
finals,
not superstars. You need more dudes. You need more balls. And I feel like Inter has that.
This guy's not a dude.
There's-
And
He's
they're
a man.
also more experienced, all of them.
Yeah, that's fair. Like Barella and all,
Yeah.
like fair.
I
But
think Inter has the dwag in them, bro.
I
Compared
think-
to
Full
PSG.
drag.
Yeah.
That's a great point. Taran.
Enrique takes it for sure. Let's put a bet.
Speaking of actually,
He's been there, done that also, Enrique.
speaking of having the dwag, congrats to our boy Paul Hughes. 42-second knockout, round 1 PFL Europe at home in Belfast. He spoke it into existence, got the fight, and turned the fuck
Amazing.
up once again.
Amazing.
Hey, Paul Highwood.
So, I saw the fight. I mean, I saw a highlight and he just
I mean, the whole
obliterated.
fight was kind of a highlight.
42 seconds, yeah. And then I'm not sure if this was confirmed, but the fight was not telecasted in the US, which is sad for our boy, Paul. I mean, it would have been crazy awareness for him in the US market, but he just continues to one up.
I don't know if it was telecasted or not, but he saw it somewhere.
Yeah, I saw Ariel
I was
tweet right
doing-
after the
yeah,
fight.
I was doing a
wish that
different
was-
event.
But
with
anyway,
PFL, so it's-
but our boy just keeps doing great things one after the other. A bonus was awarded to him right after the fight, and he said, "I don't want it. Give it to someone on the undercard."
Is that true?
yes.
Yes, and
That's
then
respect.
they
Sick.
gave him another bonus because he didn't accept that, and he was like,
He
"Give this
donated
to a
it, yeah.
charity." And then they gave him another bonus.
So, bro, what are you doing, bro? Come on, bro. What is this? He keeps refusing bonus.
We are
How much
charity.
money do you all have, bro?
Bro, please. Let's not get into that.
Ask us.
So our boy is a
They cut
full-
Ngannou's salary.
I mean, Conor
Bro, don't
McGregor,
say
the
no.
Irish symbol of like whatever, is doing whatever, and Paul Hughes on the other spectrum is doing
All
amazing
good
things.
things.
1 minute, bro. Did you not see Conor McGregor became the Pope, bro? The new Pope.
No, that was Trump, bro.
Okay, chat, like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Then, unlike, like again.
Like bye.
Unsubscribe. Like.
Bye.